Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making mashed potato casserole in a Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting out on my Ninja Speedi and I have roughly about 4 pounds of potatoes I cut in small chunks, about like that. I'm going to put some salt in there, and I have 4 cups of water in there. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of salt in there. And I'm just going to give this a little bit of a whoosh to get the salt down in there. Alright, I'm going to close my lid down and make sure we're set on the rapid cook setting. That's on air fry. There's rapid cook. Alright, I'm going to turn my Speedi on, and I'm going to go down to the steam bake setting. Make sure I get it. It's set at 325. I'm going to turn it up to 350, and I'm going to set my time for 12 minutes. Now after 12 minutes I'll check to see if my potatoes are fork tender. You want them fork tender. If it needs a few more minutes, I'll give it to it. Alright, my potatoes are done. They only took 6 minutes, which was pretty amazing, but this had to come up to temperature, so they did a little cooking then. I checked them after 6 minutes. Now I drained them, transferred them into a large bowl, and there's a stick of butter underneath there I have melting. I'm going to start mashing these just a little bit, and I'm using a hand mash. You can also use a electric mixer if you like. But we like our potatoes better with the hand masher. Don't ask me why, but the texture just seems to get better. And you want to be careful so they don't slip out of your bowl. You can see that butter showing through there. Alright, now that these are starting to get mashed, I'm going to add in 4 ounces of sour cream. This is an 8-ounce container, so I'm going to add half of it. Looking good about there. And I'm going to add in a little bit of granulated garlic. You also use garlic powder. I have granulated on hand, so that's what I'm using. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon. And I'm just eyeballing that. And now I'm going to add in some milk. I'm going to go for about a half a cup of milk. Now some people, they warm up their milk or cream before they add it into potatoes, but that's really not necessary because the potatoes are so hot that doesn't cool them down at all. I'm going to go ahead and get these all mashed up and get them back into the Speedi. Right now that I have my potatoes all mashed and back in the Speedi, and I sprayed a little cooking spray in the pan. I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese in here. Just a nice healthy coating on top of the potatoes. I'd say probably about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of cheese. Alright, now I'm going to close my lid down, and I'm going to switch my switch from rapid cook down to air fry. Alright, I'm going to turn my Speedi on. It's already on air fry at 390. I'm going to set my time for 5 minutes. It's not going to take any longer than that, guys. We want this to get nice and golden brown and the cheese to melt. Alright, my 5 minutes is up. You can see how nice and golden brown my cheese is, and it's melted. Now I have about a half a pound of bacon I crisped up in the oven and I broke up. We're going to get that on top of the casserole. Dexter's all charged up tonight. He's happy to see everybody watching. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I added some chive on top for extra color and flavor. Let me get in here and give this a try. Get a little bacon in this piece here. Creamy, cheesy, you get that sour cream, you get the garlic powder in there. Buttery from the butter. You get that bacon at the end, a nice crisp on it. Guys, that was really easy, really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Mashed potato casserole in the Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.